Hi, this video is going to show you how to do a group member evaluation using FeedbackFruits. So come into your course site, go to Build Content and scroll to FeedbackFruit Group Member Evaluation. If you don't have it, please get in contact with your LTC or me. Now, all this is of course editable, and this looks like what it would normally look like in a Blackboard. So come down again, always enable submit, and you will get a link and open it. And basically the LTI link is talking to FeedbackFruits, which is then in turn talking to Blackboard. Here is the help chat, always present in FeedbackFruits. You've got an instruction video and the get started. So we're going to get started. Now, help center, chat with support, and a video. You can use an existing GME, group member evaluation, should you want to. Give some instructions. Now remember, these are all editable and you can come back to it at any time. So this is where group members evaluate themselves. So in this instance, we usually pick work individually but review within groups. If you want to explore the other options, please let me know. Now, this is a tricky one. We're getting this redesigned, but make sure you always use this chevron or the downward arrow. Now, this will allow you to pick groups and make sure you pick only the ones that you want. Now, as you can see, there are no students, so if you are doing group work, it is obviously makes sense to set this up after you've created your groups in Blackboard. Give feedback to peers within a group. You get the choice of creating a new criteria or using one that you have already done. So let's just have a look at the new criteria. You've got rubrics, scale rating. So a scale rating has a rating and a comment section, or you can just have a comment section. So I'm going to go back and just use one that I've already got, GME, and you can see that there's quite a bit there, and I'm going to go done. Now I can edit it or I can use it exactly as I want. Now the first deadline that the first thing I'm going to do is click on the deadline, and I'm going to make it that the first deadline to give feedback to within the group is the Sunday. Now, do you want them to self-assess? Do you want them to be anonymous, and how many? Now this depends on your group numbers, but I usually pick all for that, and that way everyone gets reviewed. Instantly assign all of them is also fair, and one that I choose as a default. Then if you are getting them to read and reflect on the feedback given, then you can turn this on. But then again, some people do that in a following assessment, but this is important to do. You need to hold back the feedback. They have designed this, they are redesigning this, so I know that their deadline is the 21st, so I want to make sure that the feedback is held until at least Monday, so that no one sees the feedback and that they write openly and honestly. If you're grading, click on the plus sign and a grading module will appear, I should say, and you can see that you can give people feedback based on giving whether they've completed the feedback, have written, and also the ratings. So you could make that 100% and it will also automatically assign it. Now, if you want to use the marks or the ratings given to change or adjust a mark that you've given, you need to turn this on. But talk to your LTC before turning this one on. Once you've finished, just press save. And that's how you set up a group member evaluation. Great for group work and great